We, the maths teachers, welcome you back to the e-learning program. Let us begin Chapter 2, Fundamental Operations. Today's contents are addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, properties of addition, word problems on addition. Addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. We have learned to add numbers up to 4 digits. In this chapter, we will be learning to add 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. First, let us understand the terms in addition. Addend. Each number to be added in an addition sum is called an addend. Sum. The answer of an addition operation is called the sum. For example, 3242 plus 1504 is equal to 4746. Here, 3242 and 1504 are addends. 4746 is a sum. We follow these steps to add numbers. Step 1. Arrange the addends in columns. Step 2. Add the digits from the ones place, that is, from right to left. Let us understand this with examples. Example 1. Add 25,388 and 20,864. Arrange the addends according to their places in columns and then add. Let us begin the addition from ones place digits. That is, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Write 2 in ones place and carry forward 1 to the tens place. Now, add the digits in tens place. That is, 8 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 15. Write 5 in tens place and carry forward 1 to the hundreds place. Now, add the digits in hundreds place. That is, 3 plus 8 plus 1, which is equal to 12. Write 2 in hundreds place and carry forward 1 to the thousands place. Now, add the digits in thousands place. That is, 5 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Write 6 in thousands place. Now, add the digits in 10,000s place. That is, 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Write 4 in 10,000s place. So, when we add 25,388 and 20,864, we get the sum as 46,252. Example 2. Find the sum of 12,745, 2,20,418, 7,35,165. Arrange the addends according to their places in columns and add. Let us begin the addition from the ones place digits. That is, 5 plus 8, which is equal to 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Write 8 in ones place and carry forward 1 to the tens place. Now, add the digits in tens place. That is, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Write 2 in tens place and carry forward 1 to the hundreds place. Now, add the digits in hundreds place. That is, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Write 3 in hundreds place and carry forward 1 to the thousands place. Now add the digits in thousands place. That is, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Write 8 in thousands place. Now add the digits in 10,000s place. That is, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Write 6 in 10,000s place. Now add the digits in lakhs place. That is, 2 plus 7, which is equal to 9. Write 9 in lakhs place. So, when we add 12,745, 2,20,418, 7,35,165, we get the sum as 9,68,328. Let us move on to the next topic, properties of addition. Property 1. Order property. When the order of the addends is changed, the sum does not change. For example, 24,248 plus 13,498, which is equal to 13,498 plus 24,248. Here, the sum remains the same, that is 37,746. Property 2. Additive property of 0. When we add 0 to a number, we get the number itself. Example, 12,520 plus 0 is equal to 12,520. Or 0 plus 12,520 is equal to 12,520. Property 3. Grouping property. The sum of 3 or more addends remain unchanged even if the grouping of the addends is changed. For example, 1,750 plus 36 plus 124. Here we are adding the first two terms and then adding the third term. The sum is 1910. In the second one, we are adding the second term and the third term. And then we are adding the first term. But the sum remains the same. In the third one, we are adding the first term and the third term, and then we are adding the second term. But the sum remains the same. So, when we add the addends in any order, the sum remains unchanged. Find the missing digits. Let us understand this with an example. Here, the sum is given. Let us find out the missing digits. Let us begin with ones place digits. Here, 7 is greater than 0. Therefore, the sum should be 10. That is, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Therefore, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Write 0 in ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Let us take tens place digits. Since 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, which is greater than 4, the sum should be 14. That is, 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, 1 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 14. Write 4 in tens place and 1 as a carry forward to hundreds place. Let us take hundreds place digits. Since 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, which is greater than 1, the sum should be 11. That is, 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Therefore, 1 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 11. Write 1 in hundreds place and 1 as a carry forward to thousands place. Let us take thousands place digits. Here, 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 10. So, write 0 in thousands place and 1 as a carry forward to 10,000s place. Let us take 10,000s place digits. Here, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. That is, 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. So, write 8 in 10,000s place. So, the missing digits from 1's place are 3, 8, 2, 0 and 0. Now, let us solve the word problem. A town has 2,29,813 men, 2,02,615 women and 1,72,908 children. What is the total population of the town? For the word problem given, let us write the statements. The first statement would be number of men in a town. That is 2,29,813. Second statement, number of women in a town. That is 2,02,615. The third statement would be number of children in a town. That is 1,72,908. To find the total population of the town, we need to add the numbers. Arrange the given numbers according to their places vertically and add. Let us begin the addition from 1's place digits. That is, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Write 6 in 1's place and carry forward 1 to 10's place. Then add the digits in 10's place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Write 3 in 10's place. Now, let us add the digits in hundreds place. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 plus 9 is equal to 23. Write 3 in hundreds column and carry forward 2 to thousands column. Now, let us add the digits in thousands place. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. Write 5 in thousands place and carry forward 1 to 10,000s place. Now, add the digits in 10,000s place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Write 0 in 10,000s place and carry forward 1 to the lakhs place. Now, add the digits in lakhs place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Write 6 in lakhs place. Therefore, the total population of the town is equal to 6,05,336. In today's video, we have revised addition of 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, properties of addition and word problem. Dear children, kindly practice the math sums every day. Thank you. Have a nice day.